Sorry guys, it's part 2. So we're gonna wait a couple of hours now. At least it's in the freezer. Maybe it needs to be in there for a couple of minutes. Guys, I don't know what to do. Pop-Tarts, yum. But I don't really like Pop-Tarts, but my mother does. I'm not sure if this is gonna work out. I'll get a tiny cup in here. So I don't know if we can do abstract art and stuff. So that's thing. Just need to put it down like that. I don't know what I'm doing. I think that's blue enough. Oh, that was a close one. Bit of red. Ooh la la. Let's make blue. Okay, we got a bit of blue in there. Normal. What it looks like. So I'm gonna keep twirling it and twirling it. Wonder what it's gonna look like. Looking good. And do this and that. Shake it all around. Do the okey cokey. And yeah. Ooh, beautiful. I'm not sure if you can see that, guys, but maybe I'll use the spoon to mix it up. Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy. It looks disgusting. So we're gonna be doing this for a while, like. We wait for an hour and a couple of minutes. So I might need to wash my hands again. So I think we need to wait until tomorrow. So, see you guys. I don't know how long. But what if I check it now? Be back. So I just had to twirl with my finger and no. Maybe I can add this. Come on. So I've just done this, so come on, watch me wash. Oh god, my things are dirty, so I don't get this. Especially in case it's new. And pretty much Stranger Things. I'll be right back. First up is a lovely cup. La 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 la. I just got them. I'm gonna swirl it around and around and around. Bum, bum, bum. And out it goes. And that's it. It's dirty. So at least let me swirl. Nothing. Has any of you guys watched Sing 2? Because if you have, it's amazing. Oh, have I said like and subscribe? So I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we need to put part 3. So see you guys later, and give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Wait. Never mind, just like and subscribe, and see you in part 3. Adios, amigos. Ruby, that's me.